Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and my daughter is here. Good, say hi.
Hi.
She's the one that is camera shy. She's the one that always behind the scene. And for today's video, my hair. And for today's video, we're going to be doing an Ulta unboxing. I just finished creating this look, and this looks gonna come up pretty soon. This is my version of fall, if this is even a fall look. So as I was wrapping out, cleaning out my stuff, the mailman came in and knocked on my door and had this 2 boxes for me. So this is from Ulta right there. So we're gonna be doing an Ulta unboxing. I opened the other one already, so it'll be much more easier for us. So what do we get? So first off, I got this eyeshadow palette right here. I was really intrigued with this gold, just with this gold right here. I wanted to try this gold because I have been looking for that really gold metallic. So I will be having a try on soon of this palette. I actually got 3 NYX palette. And where's the other 2? So, and also this 2 palettes right here. So, and this one has that really red tone into it, which I'm so in these days. Oh, it's supposed to be like this. Sorry, my bad. So it's supposed to be this one. I wanted to try that one also. I'm not gonna swatch this because I'm going to film a video for this one also as well. And I also like this shade right here. So that is for our shadow palette from NYX. And I also jumped into the bandwagon for Juvias Place. We did get 3 Juvias Place product. I got their I Am Magic foundation, Velvety matte, and the shade Aruba. So, and I think I got 3 products from them. And also we did purchase the Juvias Place I Am Magic concealer. So these are the 3 products we got from our Juvias Place. So we're gonna jump into a bandwagon also of Juvias Place. Video also coming out for that one. I always wanted to try and test that product. So for our hair, I love using this for my hair. This is the Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. It just makes my hair shiny, silky. So this one is right here. I have repurchased this product. If I'm not mistaken, this is my 4th bottle of this one. So again, we have to go get a beauty blender. This is actually one of my favorite beauty sponge. We always say beauty blender. It is a brand. This is actually a beauty sponge. So, but this one is from Morphe. I have been loving that sponge. So we got that. And we got something from our eyebrows as well. So I always has been using a combination of the Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade and the Anastasia Brow Powder Duo. I will fill in this one and I will go in with this one to set it. For some reason, we do have an oily face, and even though this is a deep brow pomade, I'm a kind of person that I always do my eyebrows first and then I go in with my eyeshadow, with my eye makeup. And once we put in our face makeup, sometimes this one get if accidents like powder stuff, I always go in to touch up with this one. So I need to repurchase the Anastasia one. So, and also I jumped into the bandwagon of YouTubers Holy Grail foundation. If you watch a lot of YouTube, you know. What are you looking at?
What?
So if you watch a lot of YouTubers like me, this is gonna be one of their holy grail. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup Foundation, and I also have to purchase the pump. This one does not come in with a pump, so I like the pump. So I have to purchase their pump. So I like a full coverage matte foundation. So I like to be cake face, and they said this one does not make you a cake face, but it has a full coverage. So I went ahead and purchased this one, and we're going to try and test this one out as well. Someone has to call me in the middle. So drink a coffee, and we're gonna go in for our second box. It is so cold in Vegas right now. It's super windy. So don't put yourself. We're going in with our second box. So this body butter is, I actually love this body butter right here that I have to purchase too. So winter time is coming here in Las Vegas, and it's already really cold and really windy outside. So you need to get like a really good butter, like lotion for your skin. So this is the one I've been loving, from Body Shop, and this is in the shade Mango. It smells like mango. I can smell it. So now she's gonna be showing up on my video. Come here, come here, come here. Go, smell.
Oh, nice.
See? So I purchased two. One for me and one for her.
Yay. Thank you.
So this is what happens when you have girls.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So this box is mostly like, you know, just for that skincare. That's why it's kind of big. And I also have like a second scent that I do also like. This one is from the same brand. And this one is a strawberry scent. Yeah, strawberry. So this one is a 24-hour intense moisture for dry skin. When you get cold, right here in Vegas, it goes up to 50 degrees. So this one is 24-hour intense moisture for dry skin. Here in Vegas, with cold pressed strawberry seed oil. So is this one has that too? Yeah. The other one is 24-hour intense moisture for dry skin with community trade mango seed oil from India. So this one is mango, this one is strawberry. I both like the smell of this. Ooh. Oh, Ate, come here. Which scent do you like the most? It's just moisturizer.
Strawberry.
Okay. You get the strawberry. Ayaw mo the mango? You don't like the mango?
It's good.
Okay. That one. One for me and one for her. So now I only got two.
You can have the other one.
It's okay.
Okay.
So, ding ding me, I purchased again another Juvias Place foundation, and this is in a different tone. Tangerine 520. So that goes in there. And for our last two purchases, what is this? I already forgot. What did we purchase? Oh, this is the my Ride or Die eyeshadow primer. This is the MAC Pro Lone Paint Pot. Is because not like what Nikki tutorial said, not to prime is a crime. And this is my Ride or Die primer, eyeshadow primer. What is this? Oh, I know what this is. I remember now. I think this is, see, I purchased and I already forgot. So this is also one of my go-to drugstore foundation. This is the Milani Concealer and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. So there you go, guys. This is all of my purchases. My unboxing for Ulta and Sephora is going to be having their sale, so we're gonna go check it out if we're going to purchase another stuff from Sephora that will hit my bank account. And I will be doing a video. This video is the one that I'm going to be doing next, and with this eyeshadow palette, we're just gonna combine these two in one video. So it's hard to do a wear test for a foundation right now, since we do have to wear a mask. Probably I'm just gonna do a first impression. So I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys try all the stuff that I did purchase today. This is our highly recommended body butter for winter time, so we don't want dry skin. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. And what else am I gonna say? I'm rumbling. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you can get notified on all of my future uploads. Bye.